Hi there, Onyx. Ooh, we're gonna get that. Ooh, gonna get that little nose. You know you want it. Mm. Woof, 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 woof. Look at that little mouth. Oh, you're trying to get away, but you know it's what you want. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yawn. What are you doing? Do you like that? Like when I scratch your little nose? Oh, 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 you're fighting it, but you know you like it. Oh. Where's your little head going? You're supposed to stay still so I can keep it in frame. Oh, your little chin rubbed. Oh, there go the lights. We're gonna get that little nose. Oh, yeah. Oh. Is that enough of the nose scratches? Hmm? Oh. My fingers are in the way. Hmm? What are you doing? You're covered in catnip. Oh, no. It's cleaning time. I touched your fur. Oh. Oh, what a good kitty. You're cleaning my fingers. Goofball. Oh, I'm gonna get that little nose. Oh, it's cleaning time. Being time to be pets over. Gotta clean the fur. Dingus. What are you doing? Oh, uh-oh. Where you gonna clean your belly? Am I bothering you? Or you gotta clean your leg? Boop, 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 boop. Okay, I'll leave you alone. Dork.